Hey techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, we are going to see Introduction to Python. What is Python? Why is it so popular? What are the key features of Python? Let's go and see. So friends, Python is a popular coding language that is used for a variety of applications. It is an interpreted object-oriented language. The term interpreted is nothing but it executes the code line by line. This makes debugging so easy. It is also preferred as scripting language. Why Python is so popular? This is because it is existing in all the fields such as cloud computing, and Python programming has the ability to deploy applications virtually on any platforms. It is also in automation. Python scripts are used to automate repeated tasks. Example, it is used to start and stop web servers on the cloud. Python is also in machine learning as well as artificial intelligence. Python is widely considered as a preferred language for machine learning and artificial intelligence. And we use Django for website development using Python. So, what are the key features of Python? It is a beginner's language. See friends, Python is like English. If you are a beginner, start with Python because of its easy syntaxes. It has a cross-platform compatibility like Windows, Linux and Macs. It has a very large standard library and inbuilt functions. Databases can be connected using Python and GUI can be developed. So that's all guys, a short description about Python. Thank you for watching the video and watch this channel for more Python videos.